Plus now, where 67 of the 68 teams playing in the NCAA tournament are now staying. The Marion County Public Health Department and the NCAA have extensive protocols in place that cover both mental and physical health of these student athletes. News 8's Debbie Johnson is live downtown. Demi, some positive COVID-19 tests have been collected.
Yeah, as of today, out of 2,300 tests, 5 cases have been positive, but the NCAA says you shouldn't assume those are coming from coaches or players. At this point, the NCAA doesn't anticipate having to replace any of the 68 teams.
This is a virus that we don't control. It controls us.
Even so, the NCAA is trying to make sure COVID-19 doesn't ruin the tournament before it has a chance to begin.
You know, we try to put safeguards in place to protect everyone's health and safety and the integrity of the event. But it can't be perfect. It's not going to ever be perfect in a pandemic.
Senior Vice President of Basketball Dan Gavitt says 6 officials won't be working the tournament after 1 tested positive and the others were considered close contacts by the Marion County Public Health Department. He says it was a situation the NCAA knew could be a possibility from the beginning.
It's why we've had replacement policy for teams, for officials. We have very clearly defined and communicated protocols in place for team travel, testing.
Gavitt says teams are required to take a PCR test upon arrival, then quarantine in their rooms until they take a second test 12 hours later.
Teams, before they even arrive in Indianapolis, have 7 consecutive daily tests. So they come in with a high level of confidence of safety and health.
Mental health is also top of mind. Gavitt says athletes are able to use Victory Field as a place to get away while still being isolated from the public. Additional entertainment is planned for teams that advance further in the tournament,
including activities outside, such as in controlled environments, such as Topgolf and the Indianapolis Zoo and things like that.
But first, Gavitt says we have to make it there, and that means taking every protocol seriously.
No one's laying their guard down. No one's making any assumptions about the lack of challenges going forward, but so far so good.
Gavitt says contact tracing and quarantine arrangements are all handled by the Marion County Public Health Department. He says to keep track of some of that data, all of the players are wearing contact tracing devices. Live downtown, Demi Johnson, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Demi, thank you. Right now on wishtv.com, this morning's NCAA press conference on COVID-19 protocols. Head to our website to watch the full video. This story will be in the top 5 stories on the main page.